dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for new content.
Hi guys, how you doing today? So we're back. So today we're gonna do some seasoned rice, right? So I went ahead and I picked some ackees. Got up very early and picked some ackees. So I'm gonna go ahead and have them taken out the pod so we can go ahead and get this thing started today. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and I've picked them out the pot. So I'm gonna go ahead now and have them cleaned up. Right, so when we're cleaning up the ackee, we pick off the heads and we take the reds from out of the middle. Right, that's the way to clean ackee in Jamaica. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and I have cleaned up my ackees. They're looking wonderful. So just a little bit of history. Do you know that ackees are not indigenous to Jamaica? No, they're not. No, they were brought here from West Africa and has become our national fruit. And as everyone knows, our national dish is ackee and saltfish. Right, so as usual, with everything we do, we use coconut here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up my coconut so I can have it blended and juiced. So I can go ahead and get the coconut juice, because our coconut juice is one of the main ingredients in our seasoned rice. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and have that blended and juiced. Alright, so I've gone ahead and blended it and I've juiced it, and I've got a good amount here. So I'm gonna have that now put in the pot so I can go ahead and boil my ackee with my coconut juice. So I've gone ahead and I've added the juice to the pot. So I'm just gonna go ahead now, put that on the fire, let it boil, because you can't put the ackee in until it is fully boiled, and hot. Great. So it's now fully boiled, so I've added my ackee in, right, to boil a little. Right, so I've also added a little bit of seasoning there. Alright, so I've added my scotch bonnet pepper and I've added my thyme and my skellion, just to let everything boil together, because you want to get a real good taste. Alright, so I'm just gonna let everything boil up together. I'm gonna let the ackee boil until it's semi soft, right, so we can go ahead and have that steam down with with our rice. So it's boiling, it's almost there, almost to the point where I want it to be. As I said, you don't want to boil it too soft, because you don't want it to break up once you put your rice in. So I've gone ahead, I've picked up my saltfish. I'm gonna also add that to the mixture as well, so can everything boil together. Right, so I've gone ahead, right, and I've gotten the ackee to where I want it to be. So I've gone ahead and seasoned the pot a little. Right, so I've added my skellion, some more thyme. I've added some powder season, which is our grace. You can add the season based on what you want. I've added my seasoning, I've added also my butter, I've added a little sugar. Right, you don't want to add a lot of sugar because you don't want to get it sweet. You just want to add a little bit just to flavor or get the flavor of the taste. So I've gone ahead now and I've added my rice in. Right, so I'm stirring everything together because I want all the tastes to come together, or all the everything to come together, so it can taste wonderful. So I'm doing my testing. This is how I test, just to ensure that I have put enough water with the rice. Right, great. So there we go. Right, so everything is boiled now. I'm letting this steam down a little bit. Right, so you can see how lovely it looks, how colorful it looks. It looks awesome. It also smells awesome, and I know it's gonna taste awesome. Right, so you can think about it: coconut milk, right, ackee, saltfish, thyme, scallion, pepper, all those ingredients boiled together. Alright, so look at the finished dish. So I've gone ahead and decorated the plate with some lettuce, tomato, and or scotch bonnet pepper. It looks lovely, right guys? Right, look at the color, look at the texture. It's awesome, and I can tell you it tastes awesome as well. Right, so you guys can try this. If there is anything that you guys would like us to cook, any authentic Jamaican dish, just put it in the comment, guys. go ahead, keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on commenting, guys, right? Help us grow this channel, right? Look at that, it looks lovely, it looks awesome. That's a wonderful Jamaican dish, right? So guys, as I said, go ahead, click the notification bell, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, right, to get more of these lovely dishes, guys, right? I know you can do this. I know that you can do this. Go ahead, support us, support the growth, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content, guys.